guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So having the festivities and wedding season around the corner, I wanted to show you guys how to create this really easy smoky eye look. And also in this video, I will be showing you guys how to achieve a mask proof flawless base because it's really necessary. You really don't want your makeup to come off when you're wearing the mask. So yeah, it's gonna be a really helpful video. And also in this video, I will be using some of my new affordable makeup products and I will be reviewing them too. So now without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. So I'm going to start by tying my hair so that it gets easier for me to do the makeup, and then moving on to prepping my skin. I'm using this moisturizer and I'm going to apply it really well. Next, I'm going to spray some rose water for hydration, but it's completely optional. So as we are doing a mask proof makeup routine, so I'm going to set my moisturizer. This kind of creates a barrier so that the moisturizer doesn't mix with the foundation. So I'm lightly applying the powder and it's going to help the makeup to stay a bit longer. Now to lock in the moisturizer and the setting powder for a better longevity, I'm using this NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. After applying a sticky primer, I'm going in with my BB cream, and this is a no foundation look, so it's going to give a very natural look. Now I'm going to just blend it really well with a damp sponge. So the Pond's BB cream gives a very natural finish with a little bit of dewiness, but we're going to mattify the look as we are going for a mask proof makeup routine. Moving on to the concealer, first I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer just to cover the little bit of darkness. If you feel the need to use a color corrector, go ahead and use it and then apply the concealer. Now I'm using this lighter shade of concealer to brighten up my under eyes. We are kind of creating a new highlight area, and when you're being photographed, this looks really nice. I'm applying the leftover concealer on my T-zone. Now I'm using a translucent powder to set my under eyes, and then I'm gonna move on to my eye makeup. Now I'm using my brow powder to fill in my brows and kind of shape them. So this is the really important part. It actually adds a lot of definition to the face and it can make your makeup look a lot better. Now when I'm filling my inner eyebrows, I like to go in with small strokes and upwards motion for a very natural look. I'm applying some setting powder so that my brows stay in place and for a natural look. Getting started with the eye makeup, I'm using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the shade Nude Awakening, and I'm going in with this burgundy color with my angular brush. I'm creating a line just where my lash line ends, like you would do for a winged eyeliner. So I'm blending the same color inwards, and the line we created, it's acting like a mark, it's like a boundary, and we cannot go beyond this, and it's gonna give a very even eyeshadow application. So I'm building up the color by taking little product at a time so that it gets easier to blend. So I want this eye look to be quite intense with the whole face muted down. So I'm going in with this black color with the same pencil brush and I'm just smoking out the burgundy color. So you can see I'm not dragging this color towards my crease, I'm just blending it and bringing it towards my lid. Right now I'm just defining my outer V and not the crease. Now I've switched to a larger pencil brush to blend in both the colors. The outer V is well defined, and now to define the crease I'm going in with this dark grey color, and with the help of this small blending brush I'm gonna apply the color directly in my crease without spreading it too much. So you can see I'm using small strokes here to define the crease so that the eye makeup looks clean, sharp and edgy. Now with the help of this large pencil brush, I'm blending in all the colors, but make sure you don't overblend, like each and every color is visible nicely, but it looks blended. Now I've taken a little bit of burgundy color on my fluffy brush and I'm just blending the color and like I'm applying it on my lid and then again blending it. Now I'm just going to apply some gel liner on my lower lash line. With the help of this smudger brush, I'm applying the burgundy color on my lower lash line and then smoking it out. I feel smoking out your lower lash line can add up to the entire look. Now I'm going to use this, you can say light golden color, and I'm applying it on my lid, like not even half of the lid, just 1/3. I'm extremely happy with this eyeshadow palette. I mean, it's super affordable and the colors are highly pigmented. Now we are done with the eye makeup. I'm just going to apply some loose powder on my face, a very small amount of it. Moving on to blush, I'm using this Nykaa blush duo in the shade Malibu Barbie 03. Really like the formula of it, and I feel this particular shade is suitable for Indian skin tones. Now just to warm up my face a little bit, I'm using this powder from Sugar Cosmetics. I'm going to apply a very small amount of it on my cheekbones and jawline. I really like the way it sits on my face and it gives my face a very sculpted look. I'm going to use this lip pencils from In Color. I recently ordered a pack of 6 intense lip pencils. They are quite affordable. I guess 6 lip pencils for $2.50 and the shade ranges from maroons to browns and to pinks. Now I'm going to use this peachy nude color as my lip shade. Great formula, and this has become one of my favorite lipstick in the drugstore category. To seal my makeup, I'm using this NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Lastly, some highlighter, and mask proof no foundation festive makeup look is done. So guys, this is the final look and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you guys are liking my content, then please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay notified. See you all in my next video.